What is x2x Dynamics GP with Magento integration for? Dynamics GP. Magento provides seamless e-commerce integration between Magento Commerce and Microsoft Dynamics GP ERP systems. It ensures the secure synchronization of critical e-commerce data, orders, customers, products, inventory, and more. Now anyone can automate their e-commerce operations to increase sales volumes, reduce labor costs, and improve operational efficiencies. Want to know more? Book a demo with us. x2x eCommerce. Integrate your web store with ERP now.